Hi, on my mission to explore my home country of Switzerland, I've recently traveled to 5 valleys, and today I want to share them with you. Let's start with a classic, the Lauterbrunnen Valley. It's often called one of the most beautiful valleys in the Alps. It's famous for its waterfalls, 72 to be exact, including the popular Staubbach Fall. The Staubbach Fall plunges 297 meters, and true to its name, it creates a fine mist as it descends. A fun fact about Lauterbrunnen: Goethe wrote a poem inspired by the Lauterbrunnen area, and Tolkien used it as a model for Rivendell in The Lord of the Rings. Another highlight in the Lauterbrunnen Valley is the Trümmelbach Falls, where up to 20,000 liters of glacial water cascade per second through a rocky gorge. Now I want to introduce you to 3 notable villages in the Lauterbrunnen Valley. First off, Wengen, a car-free village perched above the valley, known for its charming chalets, hiking trails and access to Kleine Scheidegg. Mürren, a picturesque mountain village at 1,650 meters, is only reachable by cable car. From here you can also visit the Schildhorn, which was just renovated. If you're a bit of an adventure seeker like me, I can also really recommend the Via Ferrata, which goes from Mürren to Gimmelwald. Gimmelwald is a traditional village perfect for those seeking peace and authentic alpine charm. Next up, Simmen Valley. The Simmental or Simmen Valley stretches from Lenk to Wimmis in the Bernese Oberland, with the Simmen River running through it. It includes charming villages like Zweisimmen, Boltigen and Erlenbach. The valley became renowned for cattle breeding, particularly the Simmental breed. I really like the Simmen Valley, the vast distances, the rivers, the meadows, oh, and the cows. The cows are a joy. Val d'Anivière. Located in the French-speaking part of Valais, the Val d'Anivière branches off from the Rhone Valley. Zinal, with only 190 permanent residents but 3,000 guest beds, is a popular holiday destination. Surrounded by iconic peaks like the Weisshorn, Dent Blanche and Zinal Rothorn, it's a paradise for mountaineers and photographers. This was my first time in Val d'Anivière, and to be honest, I was a bit too late for large season, which I love here and, well, everywhere, but nevertheless, I really enjoyed my time here. Nestled in Valais, the Lötschental is the largest mountain side valley of the Rhone and part of the UNESCO Jungfrau Aletsch World Heritage Site. It's surrounded by over 20 peaks above 3,000 meters, and you can really feel that it feels like Nepal. Okay, don't laugh at me, it's just what I imagine it to be. Last but not least, let's visit the Reichenbach Valley. For Sherlock Holmes fans, this is the place, home to the famous Reichenbach Falls. If you're here, the Rosenlaui Glacier Gorge is a must-see. The gorge has been open to visitors since 1903 and remains a highlight for its mystic beauty. In the valley lies Rosenlaui, a tiny hamlet often called Switzerland's smallest village. Each of these valleys has its own story to tell, and I love sharing it all with you. Thank you for any feedback, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye!